Presenting the 2012 Dodge Charger. Grab life by the horns. It's powered by a 3.6-liter, 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. With fewer than 25,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include a power sunroof, electric trunk, alloy rims, traction control, anti-lock brakes, a home-link system. Inside you'll find leather seats, heated seats, Sirius XM satellite radio, remote start, dual temperature controls, front airbags, side airbags, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, power seats, cruise control. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
This is a Carfax one-owner vehicle which qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of the Carfax Vehicle History Report online or contact the dealership. Just say, "Show me the Carfax."